So today we are visiting High Falls in Algonquin Park South. This is a lesser known trail in Algonquin Park, not too far from Wilberforce and Carden. I really like it here. This is a great spot. It's further south, so it's less than an hour and a half drive, whereas the Highway 60 trails, I'm looking at close to 3 hour drive. So that's the hiking trail. Huh.
This might have been a 14 time.
Yeah. So today we are in Algonquin South. Oh, somebody actually drove their vehicle in here. This is the parking lot to High Falls. I wouldn't want to drive in here. We're parked down the road. That's crazy. So this goes to High Falls. I've been here once before. It's pretty cool. High Falls on I forget the name of the river. It goes through Bancroft. All right, here we go. Algonquin South in winter, and we're on our way into High Falls. What is that? I think it was a chickadee. This trail goes right through a pine plantation. Pine plantation. Yeah, I love pine plantations. Beautiful day in winter, no wind. That's the key to a good outing, I think, in winter is no wind. And it's about minus 15, but there's no wind, so awesome. All right, I'll see you at the waterfall. I hope that shows up on the camera.
What's that?
The snow falling and the light sun hitting it.
Oh.
So we're approaching Lower High Falls. There is an upper and a lower. Lower looks completely frozen, but it's running under the ice. It is running over there. It's not running fast. The last time I was here, it was running really fast. I'd kind of like to try to get over there. I've lost my partner. Look at that. Whew. That's cool. We're almost at the top. This is pretty crazy. I'd say the waterfall's frozen. Whoa, is it ever? Wow, that's neat. I wonder if the main falls can't be frozen, it's huge. You all right, Cheryl? You're okay? All right. So I thought I was going to do some photography here at High Falls, but I don't think anything's going to turn out, so I'm just going to do a quick video. Maybe take a couple of shots with the DJI. But that's what I'm looking at. And I don't know, there might be a shot here. But The waterfall is pretty much frozen. Pretty much frozen. Cool place in the spring, in the summer actually. It's cool now, but I can't get anything out of that. I don't think. So, it was a nice hike, and we'll hike back out now. Crazy spot. Yeah. Crazy, crazy. Oh, there you are.